This book has sold over 20 million copies, but is based on a very simple idea that human beings give and receive love differently. But what does this book teach us about how your message can become a movement? I'm Naima B. Robert, award-winning author and book strategist who helps Muslim leaders and visionaries write a book that can shift the paradigm, change the culture, and ultimately be part of your legacy. Now, every week, I'm going to be breaking down a best-selling book to show you how and why it works so that you can do the same. So let's start with The 5 Love Languages by Gary Chapman. This book is no stranger to any of you, I'm sure, and it is very simply a description of the way that human beings give and receive love differently, and that he breaks down 5 main love languages: words of affirmation, acts of service, quality time, gifts, and physical touch. Now, I want to break down how this book works so that you can steal Gary Chapman's homework, in the words of Cody Sanchez. So firstly, he starts the book with his personal story, a very private story that establishes trust and builds connection. The next 3 chapters, first 3 chapters of the book, are about setting the framework. Okay, this is where we get clear on the definitions. And in this case, he's talking about love, breaking down what love is, what love isn't, what we seem to think is love. And this is really necessary for the reader to be able to absorb the rest of his message. And so he spends 3 chapters setting the scene in that sense. Then each of the next 5 chapters, where he covers the 5 love languages, follow a particular sequence. In each of those chapters, he will share examples and stories that illustrate very clearly what that love language looks and feels like. He uses a lot of references from his own life and from his clients' lives, again, building authority. And then he goes into how you can apply this. At the end of every one of the chapters, there is a your turn section, and there are action points. So if you believe this is your love language, these are the action points that you can take. After that, he looks at how to apply everything that he's taught us. Then he gives us a link to his website, and the end of the book actually has a lot of extra resources, links to websites, other books in the series, other ways that you can communicate with him. There is a really detailed FAQ section. There is a quiz at the end for you to find out which one is your love language. And then there are more resources at the end. Now, what I want to bring to your attention here is, in this book, Gary Chapman lays it all out. He brings it all to the table. He's not gatekeeping. He's telling us exactly what he has learned about the 5 love languages, how you can take what he's learned and how you can transform your life. So a lot of us have this idea that if I tell people my whole system or my whole sequence or my framework, they won't want to work with me. Well, I can guarantee you that this book, The 5 Love Languages, has established Gary Chapman's authority in this area and has allowed him to build a successful career based on even more authorship and more impact, speaking, coaching, programs, you name it. And so this should be a reminder to you to say, if you have a unique framework, if you have something that you teach that can change lives, don't keep it behind your paywall. Don't keep it on your course portal. Distill it into a book that can get into people's hands, because I guarantee you, this book has not taken any clients away from Gary Chapman, but it has cemented Gary Chapman as a cultural change maker in our society. So what do you think? Is there anything that I've shared that applies to you and to your work and to the impact that you want to make? If so, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe and to follow along this series so that you can learn from the bestsellers how they're doing it and what you can do too. And of course, if you would like my help in achieving this, please go to my website in the description and fill in a contact, and let's see if we can make this happen together. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.